Sunny Corner Enterprises is working with Lincoln Electric, utilizing their Activ8X pipe and FlexTech technology to weld a major process line between Canada and the United States. It consists of a major run of large bore stainless steel piping for the process of kraft pulp, and Lincoln Electric has supported us with the welding equipment to accelerate this process and meet challenging deadlines. We've got a 900-foot run across the bridge plus underground piping. We knew we were a very large amount of welds and we needed to look at a way to decrease the time frame that it took to do these welds, so we were looking at other options to the traditional TIG welding process, and we settled on looking at an STT process, and Lincoln Electric worked with us to help develop that welding procedure, get it qualified and in play for this project.
We don't have any purging to do, so very, very interesting, and the client likes it. There's no residue inside the pipe, so it's a win-win for both. We had to bring our welding machine closer, the FlexTech 350, and be able to go at least 200 feet, so very, very nice, because the machine is so small, the MIG machine, so it's very compact, and it worked really good for us. We were afraid to move those equipment on site because on the bridges it's a long process, and 900 feet to drag wires and those MIG, sometime with the wind and all that stuff, it's hard.
And took a little bit of training and teamwork at the beginning and getting that process moving off the ground, and they accepted it, and it's working well. The guys seem very engaged and proud to be able to run this process. So the flexibility in the range and placement between the FlexTech power supply and the Activ8X pipe gives us the ability to position that equipment on a confined space on this utility bridge so that we're not congesting our welding areas. It's given us some flexibility to not cramp the welder space, and it's also given us less equipment to move around on a weld per weld basis, and that improves the productivity for the welders and for the project. Understanding new technologies, understanding that you have support to back that up when you're putting a high-tech piece of equipment in a fab shop and in the field environment, which is not the most forgiving environment in the world. The robustness of the equipment, the serviceability, the ability to pick up the phone and connect with somebody and say, I've got a problem, how can we work through this? And that's given us the trust level and the flexibility to try new things and be innovative in an industry that's traditionally not.